Hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to ThrillMouse Nation. We continue in Florida. I meet David Wilson with RYKEZILLA. First time meeting him in person. Big time, long time ThrillMouseMoto fan. So really great to come out and see him like this. You watched the last video where I'm in Alabama and I get to meet up with John and Nick and do a walk around of their Rykers. That was on the way out to Sebring, Florida, to see the Moto Surf competition. It was held by Jet Surf. I was kind of like had the idea that I was gonna buy one, so I thought it'd be cool to come check it out and get some ThrillMouse Nation filming going on at the same time. And I ended up being very impressed. This is one of the this is actually both the days a little chopped up. I'll have a whole video about it soon, but I want to put a couple more Ryker videos out before I get into the Moto Surf stuff. But I look forward to seeing more content with that, because I do have my board now and I do plan on doing some moto vlogging on it. I appreciate you guys watching. ThrillMouseMoto. So let's meet David Wilson and RYKEZILLA. Big time supporter in the Ryker community. If you're already part of it, I'm sure you know him at some capacity on social media or just following like every YouTube channel that has to do with Ryker. He's become a good friend of mine, so I'm glad I'm able to share this video. So finally meeting Cramp Saggy Balls of Instagram. David, big dog, man. Too cool being able to get you to be part of ThrillMouse Nation, since you've been here pretty much since day one, supporting the crew. So first off, the ThrillMouse Nation shirt, which I know you'll like, because you actually have one of the first ThrillMouse shirts, period, by being a Patreon member, which is too cool. So hopefully you appreciate that one.
Definitely.
Just the same, he's doing all the cool rad mouse stuff that he does. And on top of that, I'll hold it for you so you can show your Ryker off, because we got the what? The RYKEZILLA?
Yeah.
Dang it. I like that. So it's like RYKEZILLA versus Kong down here, which is too cool. You said that was like your daughter's idea?
Yeah, our daughter decided to come up with an idea. She's like, it'd be cool if it was eating something. And then she went in her room and grabbed this out and she even painted all the blood on it.
Too cool, dude.
Yeah, she's an artist.
Nice. Well, tell us about it. This is a what year model rally?
2019 Ryker Rally.
2019 Ryker Rally. And you got it used.
Yep, used, yeah.
So what mods did it already have and accessories when you purchased it?
Pretty much almost everything. It had the little light right here.
Okay.
The fog lights right there it had on there. What else did it have on here already? It had the windshield already had on there.
And that's the Can-Am windshield?
Yep, that's the sport one, yep.
Okay.
And then what else did it have on here? I think that's pretty much. Oh, the sway bar too. It had the sway bar from BRP. It had those on there.
So that's the actual OEM upgrade for that.
Right there. Yeah.
Okay. So they put the sway bar, but
now I guess this is the end links that come with it, because I compared these to, you know, the pattern of it to one that's a regular one, and it looks a little different. But I still want to get something like Baja Ron or something like that. It's still kind of, you know.
Oh, it's that same material.
Yeah,
kinda.
I guess. Yeah.
Huh. Well, that is cool that it did come with something, though.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it's a rally, so you got the rally suspension.
Yeah.
Zerote grill with the little dead Kong in there. It's too cool.
Then I had the spikes up here too.
Oh yeah, and then these spikes. So these are the cool touches that we get to see that are original with each one of them, other than the little dead baby Kong.
Right.
You got that, and your helmet has a design like that too.
Yeah, I got one of my helmets. Yeah, it has the same kind of spikes on the top of it too, and everything that goes right, you know, with it. And then I had it on the tail, but it fell off today on the ride here.
Oh,
yeah.
Dang it.
Because I had my bag on the back, and next thing you know, it was too heavy, and it knocked it off, so I just lifted it all up.
So you just had like a 3M sticky type of setup on it?
Yeah.
Nice. And then you got the specialty panels on there that are way too cool.
This is my favorite part of it. That's what made me buy it, because these are limited editions. They don't sell these no more. So.
Oh, and I don't even see them like a lot out of all the Rykers I filmed. This is the first one.
Yeah, and I even have the panel that goes right here too. But he already had this installed, so if I ever want to take this off, I could put the panel like yours, like the yellow one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it has the same thing as this.
Yeah, but that's already too cool. You're gonna keep the light on there. So you got the rally suspension, and you kept that, which is good from what I've always been told. But you upgraded the rear suspension to Elka Stage 5.
Yeah.
So
I do a lot of 2-up.
So between the rally back suspension, which is supposed to be pretty good, you're noticing a big difference in the Elka 5?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Gotcha.
Yeah, because me and my fiance, we rode it all the time, and you can see here we were kind of bottoming out. So with my weight and her weight, it was about 440. Oh no, excuse me, 420. So next thing you know, it bottomed out a little bit.
Oh, I can see
only
that,
on
yeah.
hard bumps.
Yeah.
So next thing you know, I was like, you know what? We can do a lot of 2-up and coming down here from Jacksonville. So we're like, it's worth the investment. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Right now it rides like a Cadillac.
Hell yeah, dude.
Like we both sit on there. You can stick your hand on here. We can both jump up and down, and this will never touch your hand.
Nice. Elka Stage 5. That's stepping it up for sure. Yeah. And I like the little sponsorship art we got going on there.
Oh, yeah. Trying to get some more, stuck on there, definitely.
When I saw you originally post this on Instagram, I was like, man, you look like Choose Your Racer on like an N64 game or something like that, dude. Too cool, man. Repping all the squads from around YouTube and just riding crews, period, man. Shad bag and bracket on top of there. And then this exhaust, I am not familiar with what's going on there.
Because it's a homemade one. I got my local muffler guy. It's a Flowmaster. Because I had one from Beth from Ryker Rides. And next thing you know, after a while, I started rattling inside. I told him, hey, can you fix it? He says, well, as much as fix it, you could just make your own. So I had him make this one for me.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah. So it's something now because I'm still waiting for, what's his face? Ricky to hit me up.
Oh, yeah, man.
To get that stealth,
You gotta get it going, dude. There's a lot of people waiting on that stuff, but you know what? It's like, I love mine, dude. You know what I mean? So it's like, if I was in the same boat, I'd definitely try to get up, and as much as I like the stealth and everything, I'm just not noticing that much of a difference personally from the carbon, and the carbon just looks so cool or whatever. But I do plan on switching out from the carbon back to the stealth just to really make sure, because I really didn't notice a difference from one to the other. So I'm gonna see what it's like back to the stealth. And also, I don't know when this video comes out, but I do have a new exhaust from Ricky too that you may not have seen before. That's supposed to be a lot different. So spoiler alert on that.
Yeah, and this here, it's not done. I got some paint at home. I haven't got to. I'm gonna paint it all black.
Nice.
Use some heat paint or whatever, just until I get Ricky's exhaust. So.
And this going down like that keeps the heat away from the shad bag?
Yeah, definitely. Well, it's a car muffler shop, so that's what they gave me like that. Which I kept it, kept the heat off of that because I had the Beths on here, and right here you can see it started melting because it came out with the Brandon King one, so it was melting all of this. So I had to take that off, and then plus it was broken, and we put this on. But yeah, it keeps it right off the shad bag and the heat down.
But that was the exhaust that curls up though.
Yeah, the one like this and curled up.
Okay, yeah. I could see that any exhaust that was pointing in that direction would probably do a heat. Dang, so some custom stuff on here.
I got an alarm on here too.
And the alarm, boy. Oh yeah. Actually, that's the same one I have on my dirty bike.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't beat it, man. You shake that thing, it goes off. Yeah, it is not like that, dude. Does not like that. Too cool, man. You the ram mount with the X.
Yep.
X grip. Nice. And then you rocking speakers on here?
No speakers.
What is this here?
That is for the Bluetooth for my helmet. So I can push play and stuff like that just right there.
Oh, nice.
The battery lasts about a month or two before I have to recharge it.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I recognize something here. Oh, no. Flashbacks. Yeah. I actually forgot all about that till just now when I saw that. Nice. You won that in a contest, didn't you?
No. I was on one of your lives. And then it was... Mr. Stitch It Up suggested that you should give it to me.
Oh, is that what it was? Like, yeah, okay. Dang it. Well, you can't hear it over my exhaust anyway. So.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
I got these lights too,
Yeah, I noticed that on the side. These just like run white.
Yeah, white there and red in the back, so that way people behind me can see me a little better.
Oh, too cool.
Yeah.
Well, wait a minute. Where's your, this is a rally. Don't you have the side little...
I took them off because... You see, this side has the drill holes on it. So it's on here. But if you come to this side, they forgot to install it on this side.
Oh,
no drill holes.
So it's another dealership.
To mess up
thing. Yeah.
So the guy had it for a year, and then I brought it on, and I noticed. I'm like, hey, you know there's missing a panel. And he's like, oh, I never noticed that the whole time I had it. So he tried to call the dealership, and they're like, that's too long, so I just took it off. Yeah.
That's too funny.
Yeah.
Well, it's just because I hear so much, like, and the guy that I filmed, John in Alabama, technically last night, I guess, or this morning, he was saying his dealership thing was they installed one rally shock upside down, dude.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
wow.
it's
Yeah.
so crazy.
Yeah.
And you heard about the hood? I was talking to him about the hood accent one, where they put the bushings in between or whatever.
That gap or
it's like
whatever.
floating or whatever. And he said it was the same thing. He said they go, you know, he posted about it, and everyone was like, no, it's supposed to be like that. And other people were like, no, it's not supposed to be. That just goes to show like how many Rykers are out there were done wrong by you know dealership. Because he said that's how it was with the shocks. They were like, no, it's supposed to be that way, and then everyone was like, no, it's supposed to be the other way. But
yeah, what's his 2019 also?
no, his was 2020 got used.
Okay.
Yeah, he's only had it for 2 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice. So what plans you got?
Nothing really. I want to get the front, what's it called, shocks done. I'm thinking about getting stage 5 too to match that one.
Because you tasted that good life.
That's right.
dude.
You know.
Now you're like, it could be like this on the back.
Yeah, that's right.
What can we do on the front?
Yeah, exactly. Then maybe, I don't know, I was thinking about the bigger shield, but I don't know.
I mean, how do you
For the highway
well, how do you feel about that one? Do you
I
think?
like it. You know what I mean? It doesn't bother me whatsoever, but you know, maybe a little more wind blocking, but it does the trick, so I'm happy with it. But I don't know if I want to pay $200-something for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, and then did you add these lights, or did it come with these?
No, I added these lights. Yeah, this was coming with the bike also too. He just didn't install it, so I had to install it.
Oh, gotcha,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah.
So why did you give up the Riker?
Why did I get with the Ryker?
No, why did the guy give up the Riker?
He got a new job. He was working in the hospital, and he says he has to take a lot of, you know, people out and stuff like that, so he can't exactly put it on the back of this. And his truck was breaking down, so he had to get a new bike.
Oh, dang.
You know, to carry people around and stuff. So, yeah.
What's cool being able to get it with such cool upgrades already on it.
Yeah, it had everything I wanted on here already, so that was perfect. And then you see this for the Motard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See, I have mine, and you even told me because I asked you what size you got, and I haven't done it yet, but I do have this sitting in the front with a bunch of other junk or whatever. But I think this is the way to go.
Yeah.
For sure on there.
Especially with my 4.5 hour drive today. That
Oh,
helped my hand out a lot.
it's got to, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then of course the butt cushions, you know.
Well, you got to.
Yeah.
And I always say it doesn't matter which ones you have, as long as they got air or water in them or whatever. And those are the Air Hawks?
Yeah, Air Hawks right there, yeah. I just took this off the other day to wash the bike, and I forgot to take it the next morning. I'm like, wow, this feels different, you know what I mean? Plus it brings me up higher, you know, so. Yeah. And then I won this with the first Ryker Riders event. You know what I mean? Shout out to Ryker Riders, you know.
Oh,
but
nice.
we had our first annual event here last year, and I won this right there from Iron City. I can't remember.
Well, you're like the Riker swag loot winner of anything.
Yeah, that's what I've been told, yeah.
Hey, but just like tell everybody they got to play to win, right?
That's right, you got to play to win.
Dang, dude. Hell yeah.
RYKEZILLA, way too cool. I see a lot of different Rykers with originality for sure, but this one's definitely on another level. And speaking of giveaways, I'll be giving away the PS5 on Friday during the live stream, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Appreciate you guys watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.